And if you want to know what it's like to have a VIP Colosseum tour, join me. Hi, my name is Lisa with Travel Smart with Lisa. You can enjoy a privileged visit to the Colosseum with a VIP tour where you have your own private guide. You get to skip the lines and explore this iconic amphitheater with a knowledgeable guide who will unveil its fascinating history and legends. Immerse yourself in the grandeur of ancient Rome in an exclusive and intimate setting. Always reserve an early morning tour, but because the crowds are less and it's not as hot. Here is a view of the ancient Colosseum floor where animals were kept to fight in competitions with gladiators and test their strength. Many Christians lost their lives in the Colosseum, and as a remembrance of those lives, a cross has been constructed. This is a picture of the reconstructed platform to give you an idea of what the Colosseum looked like back then. And in the distance, you can see the Roman Forum and the Temple of Romulus. Romulus is said to be the first king of Rome. And then no time is complete without having some fun with the gladiators that stand outside that give you opportunities for some photo ops, making this trip to the Colosseum so memorable. Click on the link if you'd like to purchase and see this tour up close and personal.